Hey everybody, today we're on day 8, getting out of Helen. It's around 9 o'clock. I'm about to try to get a hitch. Back to Unicoi. Hopefully it works. Hey guys, I'm here, just hitched over here, and very nice people. Introduce yourselves. This is?
Hey, I'm Johnny Robinson.
Yep, and this is? Oogie. Yeah, there we go. So shy.
Thank you so much. That's August Robinson.
Yep, thank you so much for the hitch, and you are just way too kind. Your hospitality just means a lot to me, and I appreciate that. Thank you.
Andrew, enjoy your hike.
Thank you. All right, hey everybody. Just got dropped off. Very nice people. They just picked me up from Helen, and now I'm about to start. We're about to go through, I was looking at the elevation. We're about to go through 3 mountains. It's gonna snow tonight. There's a winter advisory, so I'm trying to get to I'm trying to get to the shelter, not Trey Gap, but the next one. So we'll see about that. I'm gonna have to go through 3 mountains. I know the 3rd one is gonna be Kelly Knob. Everyone keeps talking about that. So yeah, let's see. A lot of steps, guys. It's the first mountain. All right. Got this right here. Blue. All right. That is literally just an uphill. First uphill. I'm so happy, guys, back on trail. You know, whatever I was stressing about, it's long gone now. I'm getting such a good workout. My lips are sweating. Okay, another uphill. Of the first mountain. Yep, I think so. Look at those mountains. Okay. Wow, campsite. That was one uphill. Woo, 2 more to go. From Unicoi, I always look at gut hooks to see what's up ahead before I start the trail, but I never look at the elevation or where I'm at while I'm on the trail. Why? Because it's like a mental game, you know. If you know where you're at, you know, it's just gonna play with your mind a little. Who's gonna win, you know, mentally, you or the mountain? I only look at it when maybe I'm like 4 or 5 hours in to see like, why isn't this shelter or this campsite not showing up? But that's it. I don't even look. So I think this is the first mountain. We got 2 more. The 3rd one is supposed to be this Kelly Knob that people keep talking about. So yeah, let's get there. I know it's gonna snow tonight, so they said 1 to 3 inches in Helen, but with higher elevation, they're saying maybe 6 inches or more. So really looking forward to that. All right. What do we say to Mother Nature? Not today. Wow. Look at that. Holy cow. That must be the first one because we're going downhill a little. Hey, how's it going?
All right, how about you?
Good. Steep incline. Understand.
Hey, watch out for that man behind me. He's He's crazy and stupid, okay?
Wow, what's going on? What is he, just joking?
Oh, what did he say?
Huh?
I didn't hear him. What did he say?
He said there's a crazy dude behind me.
I've been following him for miles.
Oh yeah? Oh,
Knucklehead. Enjoy your day, man.
yep, you too, man.
Look out for the snow later.
Yeah, I know, trying to get the Katahdin. All right, thanks, appreciate it. How is it down there?
It's nice.
It's nice? All right.
How far are you going?
I'm going to Katahdin.
Ah,
Yeah.
very good.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Getting an early start. You'll run into some weather, I bet.
Yeah, I heard tonight it was gonna snow tonight. Yeah. It said 1 to 3 inches in Helen, but when I took a hitch over here, he said maybe like 6 inches on the elevated spots.
I would say that's kind of what I hear.
So
And
just,
you're going to be at the elevated parts that they're talking about.
yeah. All right.
Be prepared.
Yes, thank you, sir. Yeah, happy trails. Thank you. Hi. How are you? Good. The weather's just beautiful today.
Yeah, we thought it was going to be cold this night.
Yeah, so I'm prepared for that. Thank you. You have a good one. About to come across another road or parking lot or something. I think we're about to go up those hills up there. Let's get it. What is this? Indian Grave Gap. Hi, how are you? Good, good. Hi. Thank you. All right. I don't know if that was the second mountain, but it's just long. I would say it's definitely long. But I'm not gonna lie, the fire just lit under me. All my stresses, I'm just living it all out here, you know? Look at that. Let's get it. I'm trying to do 15 miles today. Look, that's a nice campsite. We got water right here going down. All right, another uphill. Not easy. Hey dream, I'll be your favorite scene. We can be beautiful. Get drunk on deck, take you to paradise. Let me go. Alright guys, this is the view right here. Wow. I think that's Kelly now, I don't know. It's tall though. Wow, let's look at that drop off. Oh, on me when you're not strong. I'll be your friend. I'll help you carry on. Need a friend, somebody to hang on. Look, we got another campsite. It's another road. Wow. There's snow up here. The elevation probably. Yeah. There's definitely gonna be more snow tonight here. Hi. Wow. Wow, look at that. Hi. Hi, what's your name?
Sam.
Sam?
Yeah.
Wow, guys. Sam, she is a trooper. You guys. Wow. Wow. Look at that view over there. It's beautiful. Alright, let's try to beat this snow. It's starting to snow up here just a tad bit, but hopefully it doesn't start raining, because if it starts raining, gotta put on my rain gear and stuff like that, and I'm really not trying to get wet. So site right here too. Look at that. Alright, let's go. Hey guys. Okay, so that second mountain, it's definitely a good one. Yeah, it's just really long and it's like uphill, so just be prepared for that. But the views on top is just really beautiful. Got a chance to talk to Sam. She's I think she was just doing a 10-mile hike. Pretty cool. Yeah, she was booking it too, man. I'm not even gonna lie. Yeah, shout out to her. She's from Washington, you know, so that's cool. I don't even know how many miles I did or where I'm at. I think this is the second mountain. I haven't passed Trey Mountain shelter, so I believe Trey Mountain shelter was around 7-mile marker or 8-mile marker. But yeah, right now I'm here. Oh wait, we're coming to a sign. I think this is it right here. Oh yeah, it is. Look, shelter, water. So we are at Trey Gap shelter. So I just need to go 8 more miles to the second shelter. So I'll see you guys there. Guys, so that was Trey Mountain shelter. I'm gonna pass it and go for the second one. I've only been hiking for, I believe, 2 hours and 30 minutes. It's 12 o'clock right now. I just sped up both of these mountains like crazy. Oh man, so funny. Sam, which I met, she was really nice. Yeah, she was like, you're so fast with all that gear. So it was just so nice, you know. But yeah, need to hurry up and get to the shelter before it starts snowing, guys. Look, downhill. All right, this is on its way down. Look at this view. Wow, it's all downhill. All right, let's get back to it. So please, 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 let me get what I want this time. Dun, 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 dun. I haven't had a drink in a long time. Alright, we're about to go up another uphill. Let's go. Look, I just mentioned Pharaoh, and Pharaoh's right here.
Okay, I'll get mine now too.
Sweet, man. Sweet, ready? Wow.
So coming up the trail here, I don't know, we're not to Trey Mountain yet. You're already going with. Here's Andrew.
Yay,
which is
right there.
like the third or fourth time that I've.
Alright guys, another uphill. This may be Kelly Knob. Pharaoh said that I'm like 6.8 or 7 miles away from Deep Gap Shelter. So yeah, gonna just hike to over there, and he said no one was there last night, so that it was a pretty decent shelter, good coverage. So I'm looking forward to that. And it was just so great seeing him. I think I was too excited. You know, I only met him like, oh, we didn't talk a lot the first time, but then we talked a lot at a low gap shelter. And I don't know, when I saw him, he was like my best friend or something, you know? All right guys, look at this hill. Let's get it. That's Kelly Knob. Yep, that's what we're going up. This is definitely Kelly Knob that people keep talking about. It's definitely like a 45 degree. You can just see, yeah, my knees are almost touching my stomach. Yep. All right, let's go. What do we say to Mother Nature? Not today. Let it go. Too far away. I'm wide awake. I'm wide awake. Hey. I'm so excited to just be back on trail. I don't know why. I'm just so happy, you know. Recording is, you know, it's just so fun, man. Look at this, it's just so beautiful. Nice. All right. Wow. Swag of the Blue Ridge. Wow, I'm just following this ridge line. It's definitely an uphill. All right. I think this leads up all the way up like that. Oh, look at that. It's just, I think we came from there. Oh. Let's look at this dead white tree. It's like white. Wow, that's pretty cool. Here, that's a water. That's camping over there. We got a campfire over here. I'm gonna just continue. Let's go. We're uphill, guys. All right. Look. Wow. Goes all the way down and maybe up. That might be Kelly Knob. We'll see. Yep. It goes all the way up. Let's check what the sign says. Trey Mountain Wilderness, Chattahoochee. Yep. There's a road here or something. You got blue water. All right, let's go. Yeah, guys, look at that. It goes all the way down. Let's go. Let's go, Andrew. Let's go. I can see the road. It doesn't go up, but it goes like that or something. We'll see. Maybe there's a switchback. Wow. These mountains look so tall from far away back there. You know? Now that I'm so close to it, it's just like, huh? Nothing to a giant, you know? What's that over there? It's like sticking out of, well, whatever. I think I'm gonna follow that ridge. All right, guys, I'm gonna just do this. Wow, Kelly, now this would kick your butt, guys. Yeah. Well, all these hills will. I'm just trying to do it all in one shot. All right, let's get to a deep gap shelter. Let's go. 15-mile day, come on. Almost there, guys. All the way up there. Almost there, come on. Kelly Knob, everyone. Wow. That was one hike. I'm not even gonna lie. I think that is the hardest. That is the hardest part, you know, on the whole trail. Those 3 mountains after Unicoi Gap. Wow. But Kelly Knob, you go down in the books for me. Now we're going downhill. Trying to get to the shelter now. Cook some food. I'm glad I'm beating the rain and the snow. So we'll see tomorrow when we wake up how much comes. Oh man, that was good. That was good. Okay. This is a downhill, guys. Look, it's starting to snow. Or rain. Nope, it's snow. It's like a sleet or something. I'm not sure. You could hear it a little. I hope it's not rain. I'm close to the shelter though. Wow. I really powered through today, I'm not gonna lie. Yeah. Some sort of sleet. Alright, let's see how much snow comes tonight, guys. Yeah, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow. Made it, guys. Woo! Yeah. Here we go. Beautiful. Let's see how this shelter is, guys. All right, it looks like we got some people. I see a fire. All right, we'll see who's over there. It's starting to snow now. Hey guys, we're at Deep Gap Shelter. Today was like a 15-mile day for me. Look at all the snow. It's like Christmas. Look, that's the mountain we're gonna go up tomorrow. It's just foggy and white. Now that looks like Blood Mountain from here. Look, Deep Gap Shelter. Wow, look at this snow, everybody. Alright, so today started at Unicoi Gap, ended up here at Blue Gap Shelter. This is a really nice shelter. I definitely recommend staying here. And it's supposed to snow 1 to 3 inches in Helen, but this is a different section, so I'm not sure. And someone said that since it's elevated, we might get even more snow, so we'll see tomorrow.